In this problem, we are given a pair of square pyramids which are similar. Use the given information to find the scale factor of the smaller square pyramid to the larger square pyramid. Remember, when you're looking for length, you multiply by the scale factor. When you're working with area, you multiply by the scale factor to the second power. When you're looking at volume, you multiply by the scale factor to the third power. So in this problem, we are looking for the scale factor, and we have to set up a ratio of the image, which is the larger one, over the pre-image. We can also remember it as new over old. So we set up the ratio as 343 over 216. Now remember, our scale factor to the third power. So this scale factor has already been raised to the third power because they're giving us the volume. So we need to work backwards. So what we're going to do is take the cube root of 343 over 216. Now, here's the tricky part. Do you simplify? Do you not simplify? It would help to remember the cubes. 1 times 1 times 1, 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times 3 times 3, and so on. And we notice that 216, the cube root of 216 is 6, and the cube root of 343 is 7. So it gives me a scale factor of 7 over 6. We know this is correct because we're going from a smaller pyramid to a larger pyramid, and so our answer must be greater than 1. So we have 7 over 6. So let's look at the problem again. They're asking us for the scale factor, but look at the answer. The answer is 6 to 7. So what happened here? The scale factor of the smaller square pyramid to the larger square pyramid. So if our scale factor was 7 over 6, which is correct, written as a ratio, however, they want it as smaller to larger, which is 6 to 7. So be careful when you're finding the scale factor. How do they want the answer written? And so in this case, 6 to 7. Okay, so let's check it. Let's redo this problem. We have given the volume of a smaller pyramid. Use that scale factor to find the volume of the larger pyramid. So let's just check our work. What are they talking about in this problem? Is our answer correct? So remember, our scale factor was 7 over 6. When working with volume, we have to multiply by our scale factor to the third power. So let's check it. We start off with our original volume of 216. We multiply by 7 over 6 to the third power. Check this on your calculator and you will get an answer of 343. So in this problem, we are checking that the scale factor is correct. In our problem, we were given the answer, the two volumes, and they wanted us to go backwards and find the scale factor.